When you're ready to submit your abstract to AGU's annual meeting, begin by finding the right session for your research. You can do this by browsing sessions or using our newly launched Session Finder. To browse sessions, begin on the AGU annual meeting homepage. Click the top button and then navigate to instruction number 2 to see sessions organized by discipline. This way, you can search manually through the meeting sessions, and you can discover interdisciplinary sessions by navigating to cross-listed sessions in the sidebar. In addition to browsing, AGU has launched a new way to get session recommendations based on your research. Click the Home button, and then scroll down to find several new resources, including our annual meeting Session Finder. This pop-up warns you that the Session Finder is only to find recommended sessions. You will need to return to the official annual meeting site to submit your submission. First, paste the text of your abstract into the text box. Then click Find Session. AGU sessions that best fit your research will populate in the sidebar. Click View Details for more information on a session. If you'd like to try submitting variations on your research, make those changes to your abstract text and click Find Sessions again. Remember, you aren't submitting your abstract here, so you can experiment with different aspects of your research to find sessions that most interest you. Once you find a session you'd like to submit your abstract to, click Go Submit to complete the process. Good luck, and we'll see you at the AGU annual meeting.